Hello my lovies, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Today we're going to be doing lip swatching, and in particular all Sigma's collection, all the liquid lipsticks. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. The first shade that I'm gonna go into is going to be Behold. I definitely like the design, the new design, much better than the one that they used to have. And here's the applicator. Ooh, that's a kind of pinkish nude. So this is the Behold. It's a pretty color. It's kind of a pinkish nude. It's not my favorite, but I don't mind it at all. It's not completely transfer proof, so it does have a little tackiness. It doesn't dry completely, and I've been wearing it for more than 2-3 minutes. I don't know if it has to dry a little longer. It feels very creamy and satiny when you're applying it. Once it dries, it's comfortable. I'm not a fan of the color, but it's not too bad. If you like pinkish nude, you're going to enjoy this color. Other than that, let's get into the next one. Alright guys, this one is Awaken, and definitely you needed just one swipe and it covered the whole mouth. Now this one, it's a pink. It's more of like a cool tone, and it's definitely darker than the Behold. I see myself wearing it. I actually really like it. I don't know, I might be wrong, but I feel like this one feels even better than the other one. I had Sigma's lipsticks before. They definitely improved their formula. I don't know what they did, if they changed anything, whatever they did, it feels really good on your lip. The colors are very pretty. This one is definitely a yes. This one is a keeper for me. Alright guys, the next one is New Mode. If this one is anything closer to their older formula or older color, that was definitely my most popular color in my makeup kit that I ever had. Every single client was torn towards this color. So yep, it's exactly the same one. It goes on really creamy. I like it on my lip. As you can tell, it's neither too pink, neither too brown, which is a perfect nude in my opinion. I did love the old version. I like the new version as well. To what I'm noticing is the formula, it feels a lot more lightweight. It's not too heavy on your lips, so I do like that. I enjoy a lightweight lipstick. As we all know, sometimes liquid lipsticks can be pretty heavy on your lip and very drying. So far, I don't feel that at all. And out of all the nudes that I tried, this one is definitely my favorite. The next one is called FABLE. I think it's FABLE, maybe FABLE. Ooh, this one is more of like a brownish, definitely darker color. So we started from the lighter and going darker and darker. This one is more into like a brown nude, but dark nude. I definitely see myself wearing this color. It's very pretty. Again, very pigmented, went on very smoothly, very creamy. It feels very comfortable on the lips. What you guys think? And the next one is Venom. I raved about this one all last year, and I think I'm going to be raving about it this year as well. It's a beautiful, unique red. I do not have something similar. It's more of like a cool tone, more of like a strawberry red. It's very beautiful, and I think it's beautiful on every single skin tone I ever applied it. I liked their lipsticks last year, and I think I'm going to be wearing them this year as well. This one is definitely staying in my kit. The next one is Belladonna. Ooh, they are definitely very pigmented. All I needed is just one coat and we are good to go. This is definitely my favorite. This is my top choice. I'm definitely gonna be wearing it more often. Wine red, burgundy red. It's not even a wine. It's like burgundy. It's like Venom but deeper color. I love it. Alright guys, this is how it looks like after it dried down. It's definitely a comfortable formula. I personally love it. However, you have to keep in mind they're not claiming to be completely 100% transfer proof. However, they're supposed to be long lasting. So If you want me to try a color out and see how long it's gonna last throughout the day, let me know in the comments down below which color should I do. Alright guys, this is it for today. Let me know what lipsticks would you like me to show you next. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, lovies!